Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, MF Global. Wednesday, the 26th of October, Stock Index Future comments for the morning. Well, the word of the day, I would have to say, is tentative. We're waiting on the ECB. We're waiting on Europe in general. We don't have the prime ministers or finance to give us clarity. We don't even have a date on when we'll get the clarity. But somewhere along the line yesterday, we failed. We had the breakout. We came back down to the breakout level, which is really 1225. Some people are saying if we close underneath 1215, that would do a lot of damage. We couldn't get there, but we had a down day. Everything the day before, we rallied up, and we gave up and some. We had an outside trading day on a technical point of view. Higher high, higher low, closing lower than the previous day's close. That, if we close lower today, would significant a trend change or a direction on momentum. But the verdict is out because we're up about 10 points in the S&P. Durable goods, durable order goods were, a negative 0.8. We're looking for a negative 0.1. That wasn't all that bad or good, but taking out transportation was a plus number, and it was a pretty good one. That gave us about 4 points in the S&P to go higher. Really no big damage done. It's kind of a wait-and-see attitude. The bulls are in command. Relative strength index is pointing up, even though we're a little overbought. Stochastic is pointing up, even though we're a little overbought. That means that short term we could go higher. We need some damage for the bears to control the situation. How are we going to get damage? From some kind of fundamental economic or political structural event that would take away. Right now the market is going to the least resistance, which is on the way up, and they're blowing off weak news and saying it's not important. So we need a major concept to change the thinking or the momentum, okay? And then what would happen is if we can get underneath the 10-day moving average, that would put the bears off balance. Do I think we're going to get it today? Probably not. I expect positive wording from Europe. I don't think that we have anything on the docket today that would change things. Maybe GDP, but probably not, and we'll see. I personally think, looking at the fundamentals, that there's a lot of questions that have not been answered. I don't think Europe is going to be able to step up to the plate. So I do think that the bulls are in control. I think that the momentum is to the upside. You should probably be long, but a close under 1215 would make you uncomfortable, and a close under 1200 in the December S&P should make you want to get out of your longs or take a profit, and a close underneath the 10-day moving average should allow the bears to come in and put on a short position. Those are my thoughts. As always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. You should be calling me for specific trades, entry and exit with stops and good money management skills. Risk is always important to analyze. 866-231-7811. Good luck and good